Hi everyone. In today's video, I want to show you Seedance, which is the competitor of VEO3. And what is very interesting about this is that this is a Chinese competitor which allow you to create videos from text or from an image and with the help of a prompt to use a video on your content creation or for any purpose possible. Um, there are different options. As you can see here, I am in seedance.net website, and you have different options. The one I'm currently in is the Seedance 1.0 Pro page. You can see that you can choose at the moment to create from 5 to 10 seconds and with a resolution of 480p or 1080p. Um, you can either add a photo, which you can make it talk, or just simply a text to video, which you can input here in the prompt. So what you will see now is exactly how all the options work, where we are at. We will check in the end if Seedance is actually the best competitor of VO3 or even better than the other one. And the cost, efficiency, how we will see if Seedance actually beats by a lot the price of VO3 and other competitors. So let's have a look now. So here we have, as if we just hover to the option, the Seedance 1.0 Pro and the Seedance 1.0 Lite new, which are actually new functionality, which just started very recently. You also have the image to video, the text to video, and the lip sync video. Let's start and click to the first. Then we see also the image part, but the video is the focus of our in this time. Um, as you can see, you can already start. We have 100 credits, which I'm not sure if they're enough for the free plan for making this video. That's why what I will do right now is to make a screenshot of myself to create then to upload as a video. Um, okay, it's just a very random photo, which I will save it to the downloads. And what I will do, I will just upload the photo to add in the video. And let's create a video that say hello to the audience and tell the weather in Apulia is 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 today sunny and with 35 degrees. Well, it's very random talk. Just to show to see what can be done with this. And but before even to do this, because we're not sure if the creative will go as expected, let's just play the video, even though I'm not sure the audio would be seen. I'm not sure I shared it, but just to see how it is. As you can see, this is a video that was done with Seedance and actually looks perfect and looks actually very good quality. And is a 5-second video which is looping over at the moment. You can download it too. Let's see with the generation. Let's generate 5 seconds. Insufficient credit as expected. But edit prompt here, you can see that you can generate with a starter plan. We can have 4,000 credits, which believe if you make the math, If you can make with 100 credits 5 seconds, imagine how many can you make with 4,000? Few minutes, I would believe. Um, it seems definitely something a bit expensive at the moment, can improve over time, but it's much cheaper than VO3. So that is a good point. We will also see the light plan to understand if the cost changes. But by the way, if you take the other plan, the credits are 8,000, and if you take the 89 plan, you will spend you will get 16,000 credits. Let's have a look to the light version. We can see that the credits are 60 for each generation. So maybe we can try to upload the same image, and let's just say hi, and let's make the minimal request. And yes, it is sufficient also this. So basically, I would expect actually the first to be free, but yes, you have to pay immediately to use it. Um, but we can see that the pricing seems to be the same, and I believe that the change between the Pro and the Lite version is that the Pro probably give a higher quality, and it gives, as you can see here, this price is for the Pro. The Lite was 60 credit. I believe the probably is a lower quality. Have you used it? What do you think about the Pro and Lite? Is it worth it? Let me know in the comment. By the way, what we are seeing here is that here you can use the also the image to video, so you can add an image as we did, and you can say hi, and here we have 150 credits. It sounds a bit confusing, this credit system. But by the way, it seems like you can't do anything at all as a free user at the beginning. Then you have the text to video, mm, and I believe it would be the same. And you have the lip sync video. So I believe that you can add a video that you already have, and probably a voice that you can download, for example, for 11 Labs, and eventually it can make a lip sync of a current video. The credits here are 20, it seems. Even though I believe I had 100 credits. Do I have a video? Yes, I do. Let's. Okay, there are requisites. The video must be 10 megabytes. So you can see that there are prerequisites. We should be very careful before making the subscription. Uh, what do you think about Seedance? Um, and what use case are you using it for? I see the VEO3 plan and Seedance. I heard from many blogs that this is actually cheaper than VEO3 and better quality even. But I can't justify a lot of pricing, to be honest, for the few minutes that can make with it. I understand it can be very good for ads if you want to make ads, but I don't see it for making full-fledged video. Instead, for that, I found myself well within video, and now there is a version 4.0. Seems very interesting, but there are also other options that are coming into place. What are the options that you found best for using your own image and making videos with the prompt that you can write? Myself, I found best with InVideo 4.0. Let me know what experience do you have with this, and what is the best? I'm really curious, because, and if you want, I can make a video about this. And by the way, are you finding this video interesting? Consider to like, comment, and subscribe the channel, because this is how you can find new content, and how you this is how you can support a channel so small, because obviously I don't have any membership with this Seedance, and I'm making this video just to give you information. So I really appreciate if you do. Um, by the way, you can see that Seedance doesn't limit itself only on the video area. It can also make images with Flux One context, image to image, text to image, multi-image to image, and the version Pro of Flux. Um, let's have a look if I have some credit. By the way, it is for the GPT-4o to for the prompts. Okay, it seems to have 10 credits. Make an so give me an image of a flower. Very, very simple one. I want just to see if I have at least 10 credits. It is asking me to upload an image. I have upload mine. This is an example. And yeah, insufficient credit. Okay. Interestingly, I cannot use it. I'm not sure if I logged in the past, and that's why I finished the credits, or if probably I just if you make a new account, you just don't have credits. But yes, I cannot do anything at all to try this application. The only thing we can do is to have a look to the homepage, and we can see here a bit of creation done. It seems that, as you can see from the images and videos, that they are very, very good quality. It's actually impressive. Um, you can see the advantages, the dual generation modes, the flexible duration options from between 5 to 10 seconds for each video, the professional quality output, and advanced motion synthesis. Um, I think we're about to end. Again, I really appreciate if you subscribe the channel and push the notification bell, and let me know what is your best AI video tool that you use, and for which reason. By then, see you in the next video, and yeah, bye bye. For who just remain in the video, well done, first of all. And second, I want just quickly to show you what I promised in this video, which was to compare it with the VEO3, and to see also the pricing, and to check if it's worth it to use one or the other, and if there is a response also to this. We can see that here I'm the pricing section of VEO3 and VEO3.ai. Basically, with the 37.5 per month dollars, you can have access to 7,500 credits. So how many credits we have instead access with similar price in Seedance? Well, seems like you have similar comparison. Basically, if you have, well, credits though, we need to see what they do. You can create maximum 8 seconds. We need to understand how many credits are used for each iteration. This is the annual price though. There is the monthly price, the pack. You can pay per credit, which I believe the beginning to practice it will be the best bet for you. Let's see for the generate. For example, we can see though that even though we have more credits, every generation costs 200 credits. I can see in comparison that it is definitely more expensive in terms of credits, but you get more credits, so more or less. It didn't seem to me to have a huge difference. Uh, I want just to see if I can generate for free. Okay, I can't because I have also here zero remaining credits by default. I didn't log in, I didn't sign up, obviously, but maybe we can see if I log in with one of my accounts. If actually give me some credits initially. No, it doesn't. So you have to pay also VEO3. So you can see here a video.
According to this old sea chart, the lost island isn't myth. We must prepare an expedition immediately.
Quite impressive. I would say that the quality is very comparable to the one in Seedance. Um, what is worth using it is using VO3 or Seedance. What I can tell you is that you can use either one or the other in case you need a video to make for your ad. Uh, consider that this you can make maximum 10 seconds incidents and maximum 8 here in VO3. So don't expect to make full videos with it, and also consider that you might have to be able to mount well one video with another that might have a different context. You can make text to video and image to video. I don't see the lip sync. I don't see the image to video. No, the image to video, yes, you can make. In terms of the other characteristics, yeah, this seems pretty much similar. Lip sync is the only thing I don't see in VO3. What, how did you use both? Let me know in the comment. I'm really curious to see what you found yourself best. Me, I'm just exploring VO3 and Seedance with you, but I'm curious to know from you if you used more extensively. How did you find it? And that's it from now. See you in the next video.